1514 South 24th Street. This newly renovated Point Breeze property comes with a 10-year tax abatement, which is no longer available in the city of Philadelphia for new application, and brings the yearly taxes to just over $1,100 a year. It's also loaded with custom luxury finishes. This property features a Frigidaire Gallery appliance package, quartz countertops, white oak cabinets, solid hardwood floors, 3 spacious bedrooms with tons of closet space, a full bathroom upstairs, a half bath downstairs, smart home enabled, makes this property perfect for comfortable city living. Come check it out.